Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video if you are using Windows 10. One of the very powerful things in Windows 10 is the search box, the Cortana search box. It can search multiple things. It can search for a setting. Say you want to change your screen resolution. You click on the search box, you type screen resolution, and you'll see here, change display settings. When you click, brings you to the settings, brings you to the display information and where you can change things. So that's one thing. You see here, resolution, for example. So you can search for a setting. You can search for information on the web. So for example, if you type, let's say you want to know something about Intel Core i7, you see this little panel pops up. This is in the latest version, and you can see all web results. It brings you to, of course, Bing search, but you'll have information. Opens up a web search. It can search for a file on your own computer. So if you have something on your computer that you want to search for, you could see here. You have apps, documents, or web search. So you can click documents, and you can then start typing whatever you're going to search. And it's not just going to search for a document name. Say you forgot the document name, but you remember part of the text within that document. Well, it's going to actually find it for you by scanning within the documents you have on your PC. So it's a very, very powerful search tool, and it greatly improves your experience using Windows and makes things easier. So just remember to use the Cortana search box in Windows 10. Very powerful and very nice to use, and basically just makes things much easier. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.